VCE Maths Methods Quadratic Functions. For this question, we need to express this quadratic in the form a times x plus b all squared plus c. The quadratic given is written in general form. To express this in turning point form, we need to complete the square. To complete the square, we need the coefficient of the x squared term to be positive, and so the first step here is to take out -1 as a common factor. And so we can write the quadratic as minus times x squared minus 2x and then plus 5. From here, to complete the square, what we need to do is half the coefficient of the x term and then square it. And so if we halve 2, we're going to get 1, and if we square it, we're going to get 1. And so what we do is add and subtract 1 to this quadratic. Now we're going to write this as minus times x squared minus 2x, and then we're going to add 1, and then we're going to subtract 1, and then we've got the plus 5. From here, these three terms are going to become a perfect square, and so we can factorize this, and so this is going to become minus, and then we're going to get x minus 1 all squared. Then we've got minus 1 plus 5, which is going to equal plus 4. And finally, we can distribute the negative from the outside to the inside, and so we're going to get minus times x minus 1 all squared minus 4, giving us the quadratic in the form required. If you'd like to practice exam-style questions grouped by quadratic functions, then check out mathsmethodsclub.com.au.